5 simple yoga poses to reduce belly fat at home. If you are looking to lose belly fat, then incorporating some yoga poses into your routine may help. They help target the flab in the abdomen area, burn calories, make your muscles more flexible, and improve metabolism. Belly fat occurs due to age, genetics, an unhealthy lifestyle, poor eating habits, not working out regularly, and stress. Number 1. Mountain pose. Tadasana is an ideal warm-up pose. It improves blood circulation and activates the core and other peripheral areas, thereby preparing your body for the other poses in store. Repeat the asana 10 times, increasing the count gradually. Relax for 10 seconds before you attempt the next repetition. Number 2. Standing forward bend. This forward fold is really good for the heart and relieves issues like anxiety and is good for getting the heart rate slowed down. The abdominals become soft and relaxed, allowing the stomach to do its work, which may help address major or minor abdominal issues. Inhale while coming up into Tadasana. It is good to stay in this asana for slightly longer durations as per individual capabilities and need. Number 3. Wind relieving pose. Pavanamuktasana helps in alleviating various gastric problems, including indigestion and constipation. Since your knees exert pressure on your tummy, holding the position for more than a minute may help in triggering the burning of fat in the region. Number 4. Seated forward bend. This forward fold is really good for the heart and relieves issues like anxiety and is good for getting the heart rate slowed down. Inhale while coming up into Tadasana. It is good to stay in this asana for slightly longer durations as per individual capabilities and need. Number 5. Raised foot pose. This pose helps in switching on the rectus abdominis and associated abdominals while working the hip and thigh regions as well. Hold the pose for 15 to 30 seconds, breathing normally. Slowly work to hold the posture for more than 60 seconds. Repeat this asana 10 times to begin with, working up to 30 times gradually. Relax for 15 seconds after each repetition.